Imagine owning a home that's not only affordable but also sustainable, futuristic, and completely off the grid. It's finally happening. The much-anticipated $10,000 house by Elon Musk is officially hitting the market. A local startup, Boxable, claims this innovative product will revolutionize the way homes are built. This home can be assembled in less than an hour and is poised to transform the future of affordable living. This groundbreaking development isn't just a dream anymore, it's about to become a reality. Join us as we delve into how Musk's ambitious project is finally coming to life, the technology behind these innovative homes, their potential impact on the housing market, and why this could be a game-changer for millions of people worldwide. Elon Musk has never been one to shy away from tackling the world's biggest challenges. From electric cars and space exploration to renewable energy, he now turns his attention to one of the most fundamental human needs, shelter. The idea of a $10,000 house fits perfectly into Musk's broader vision of making life on Earth, and eventually other planets, more sustainable and affordable. The housing crisis has been a growing problem worldwide, with skyrocketing prices making homeownership a distant dream for many. Urban areas are struggling with overpopulation, homelessness is on the rise, and traditional construction methods are not only expensive but also environmentally taxing. Musk's approach aims to disrupt the traditional housing market in the same way Tesla disrupted the automotive industry, with innovation, sustainability, and a focus on cost efficiency. The $10,000 house, often referred to as the Boxable casita, is a compact, modular home that can be assembled in a matter of hours. It's designed to be energy efficient, cost-effective, and most importantly, accessible to the masses. Musk's goal is simple: to provide affordable, high-quality housing solutions that can be deployed anywhere, whether it's in a bustling city, a rural area, or even on Mars. At the heart of this groundbreaking project is cutting-edge technology and engineering. The $10,000 house is not your average tiny home. It's a marvel of modern design and sustainability. The house is built using a modular design, meaning each unit is prefabricated in a factory and then transported to the site for assembly. This drastically reduces construction time and costs, as well as the environmental footprint associated with traditional building methods. The modular nature also allows for easy customization, so homeowners can expand their living space by adding more modules as needed. One of the most innovative aspects of the $10,000 house is its foldable structure. The house arrives at the site in a compact form and unfolds into a fully functional living space within hours. This foldable design not only makes transportation easier but also reduces shipping costs, making it feasible to deliver these homes to even the most remote locations. Sustainability is a core principle of Musk's vision, and the $10,000 house is designed to be as energy efficient as possible. The homes come equipped with advanced insulation, energy-efficient windows, and a design that maximizes natural light, all of which help reduce energy consumption. Moreover, these houses are designed to be compatible with solar panels, allowing homeowners to generate their own electricity and potentially live off the grid. In line with Musk's focus on technology, the $10,000 house is designed to be a smart home. It can be equipped with the latest smart home technology, including Tesla's Powerwall for energy storage, smart thermostats, lighting systems, and security features. This integration not only enhances the living experience but also helps homeowners monitor and manage their energy usage more effectively. Despite its compact size and affordable price, the $10,000 house doesn't compromise on quality or safety. The homes are built using durable materials designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, including heavy rain, snow, and even hurricanes. The modular structure is engineered to meet or exceed building codes in most areas, ensuring that homeowners can feel safe and secure. Bringing the $10,000 house to market has been a journey filled with challenges, innovation, and determination. The concept of affordable modular housing isn't new, but what sets this project apart is the scale and ambition behind it. Boxable, the company behind the $10,000 house, was founded with the goal of mass-producing homes that are not only affordable but also high-quality and sustainable. Elon Musk's involvement in the project has brought significant attention and resources, accelerating the development and production of these homes. Musk himself has been living in a prototype of the $10,000 house, which he set up near SpaceX's facilities in Texas. This not only demonstrates his commitment to the project but also serves as a powerful endorsement of the product's viability and appeal. The journey to market hasn't been without its hurdles. From securing funding and scaling production to navigating regulatory challenges, the path to bringing the $10,000 house to consumers has required innovative solutions at every turn. However, with Musk's backing and Boxable's relentless pursuit of efficiency, the dream of affordable, sustainable housing is closer than ever to becoming a reality. The arrival of the $10,000 house on the market could have profound implications for the housing industry. For decades, the high cost of homeownership has been a barrier for many, contributing to issues like homelessness, housing insecurity, and economic inequality. The introduction of a truly affordable, high-quality home has the potential to disrupt the traditional housing market in several key ways. One of the most immediate impacts of the $10,000 house is the potential to make homeownership accessible to a much broader segment of the population. For many, the dream of owning a home has been out of reach due to high prices and the financial burden of a mortgage. The $10,000 house offers a viable alternative, providing a path to homeownership that is both affordable and sustainable. The housing crisis has disproportionately affected low-income individuals and families who often struggle to find safe, affordable housing. The $10,000 house could play a crucial role in addressing this issue by providing a cost-effective solution that can be deployed in urban and rural areas alike. By reducing the financial barriers to housing, the $10,000 house has the potential to reduce housing inequality and improve the quality of life for millions. The $10,000 house challenges the traditional real estate model, which relies heavily on expensive site-built homes. By offering a prefabricated modular solution that can be assembled quickly and at a fraction of the cost, the $10,000 house could disrupt the conventional approach to home building. This could lead to increased competition, driving down prices and encouraging innovation in the industry. The environmental impact of traditional construction methods is significant, contributing to deforestation, energy consumption, and carbon emissions. The $10,000 house, with its focus on sustainability and energy efficiency, offers a greener alternative. By reducing the need for traditional building materials and minimizing waste, the $10,000 house could help reduce the environmental footprint of the housing industry. The $10,000 house is just the beginning. As the technology and production methods behind these homes continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovations in affordable, sustainable housing. Whether it's through the development of larger modular homes, advancements in smart home technology, or new approaches to urban planning, the $10,000 house sets the stage for a future where high-quality housing is accessible to all. While the $10,000 house is an exciting development with the potential to change the housing landscape, it's not without its challenges and criticisms. As with any disruptive innovation, there are hurdles to overcome and skeptics to win over. One of the biggest obstacles facing the $10,000 house is navigating the complex web of zoning laws and building codes that vary from one location to another. While the modular design of the house is meant to be adaptable, getting approval from local authorities can be a time-consuming and challenging process. Boxable and Musk will need to work closely with regulators to ensure that these homes can be legally deployed in a wide range of locations. Despite its many advantages, the $10,000 house faces the challenge of overcoming public perception. Some people may be skeptical of living in a modular home, associating it with temporary or low-quality housing. To succeed, Boxable and Musk will need to demonstrate that these homes offer the same level of comfort, durability, and desirability as traditional homes. Meeting the expected demand for the $10,000 house will require significant scaling of production capabilities. While Boxable has plans to ramp up production, there are logistical challenges associated with manufacturing, transporting, and assembling thousands of units. Ensuring that production can keep pace with demand without compromising quality will be a key factor in the project's success. As the $10,000 house gains traction, it's likely that other companies will enter the market with their own versions of affordable modular homes. While competition can drive innovation and reduce prices, it also means that Boxable and Musk will need to continually improve their product to stay ahead of the curve. The $10,000 house is more than just a product. It's a symbol of what's possible when technology, innovation, and a bold vision come together. As the first units hit the market, the world will be watching to see how this ambitious project unfolds. Looking ahead, the potential applications of the $10,000 house are vast. In addition to providing affordable housing for individuals and families, these homes could be used in disaster relief efforts, temporary housing for refugees, or even as living quarters for astronauts on Mars. The modular, adaptable design makes it possible to reimagine how we think about housing and living spaces. Moreover, the $10,000 house could inspire a new wave of innovation in the housing industry. As other companies and entrepreneurs take note of the success of Boxable and Musk's project, we could see a proliferation of new ideas and technologies aimed at making housing more affordable, sustainable, and accessible. If you're interested in owning one of these revolutionary homes, you're not alone. Demand for the $10,000 house is expected to be high, and Boxable has already started taking reservations. For many, this could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a home that represents the future of housing. As we stand on the brink of a new era in affordable housing, the $10,000 house serves as a reminder of the power of innovation to solve some of our most pressing challenges. Whether you're a potential homeowner, an industry professional, or simply someone who cares about the future of our planet, the arrival of the $10,000 house is a moment worth celebrating. The $10,000 house by Elon Musk and Boxable represents a bold step towards solving the housing crisis with innovation and sustainability. As these homes become available, they hold the promise of making high-quality housing accessible to millions, revolutionizing the construction industry, and paving the way for a more sustainable future. Keep an eye on this space, as the journey of the $10,000 house is just beginning, and its impact on the world of housing is bound to be profound and far-reaching.